You got your license, registration, proof of insurance with you?
Actually, Diplomat.
Huh?
I'm actually Diplomat.
What? You didn't have time to put your license plate on?
This is biblical.
Oh. I don't remember motor vehicles covered in the Bible.
Yeah.
It's been a while since I read it, though.
Not every traffic stop stays simple. Sometimes it's not the violation itself that escalates things, but the diplomat. We got one of those here.
Hello, how are you? Hey, I'm Officer Rosalind Traffic. The reason I stopped you went 34 through the school zone. The speed limit's 20. You were 14 miles an hour over the speed limit, okay? You got your license, registration, proof of insurance with you?
Actually, Diplomat.
Huh?
I'm actually
Oh, good.
What?
A diplomat.
For what? Do you have your driver's license? Do you have a driver's license?
I'm a Diplomat.
Do you have your driver's license? I need your driver's license, okay?
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
Okay, then can you read me my
Dispatch
rights?
from Tango 55.
Can you read?
We're not going to play the sovereign game, okay? Can I get a routine 44 and be 10 12?
Okay, for those who are unaware, diplomats have certain immunities. There are different roles for each diplomat, but ultimately, in most cases, 99% of cases, I would say, diplomats are immune from arrest. They still have to follow traffic laws, still have to follow state laws, things like that, but their federal status gives them immunity in a lot of situations.
Over the sovereign. May I please have your driver's license?
If I'm being detained, then I have to understand
Ma'am.
that I'm in custodial arrest.
I understand that.
Invoke my right to consent.
Ma'am, we're not playing the sovereign game, okay? I need your driver's license. If not, I'm going to remove you from the vehicle and you're going to go to jail, all right? Please hand me your driver's license.
She tried playing the sovereign game 3 months earlier in an Orange County courtroom, and we obtained the footage of that for you.
Judge, are you ordering her out of the courtroom?
I'm ordering her out of the courtroom.
Okay, you need to leave the courtroom now. Turn around and you will be arrested for resisting without.
I am not
Okay,
resisting.
you are going to get
Are you gonna
arrested
leave,
for resisting without if you do not leave the courtroom now. Please leave.
I
She's being nice
am
with
here
us.
challenging.
You're being nice
Jurisdiction.
with us.
Yes,
Please leave.
just leave. Do
I
you
am
want to end
here-
up going to jail?
Just come this
I
way,
am here challenging jurisdiction and I'm standing in my rights.
Okay, you're going to be arrested for resisting without. I have been given
I'm
an
not
order by the judge.
I've asked you 3 or 4 times now, okay? Please hand me your driver's license.
Can I please speak with your whoever's over you, please? Can you?
Would you like to speak with a supervisor? Yes, I can get one of those here, but can I please have your driver's
Yeah,
license?
she still has to produce the
I'd
driver's
like to
license.
speak with that person.
Hmm?
I'd like to speak with that person.
I understand that, but he's going to tell you the same thing I am, okay?
I'd like to speak with them.
Dispatch from Tango 55.
I'm not trying to.
May I also have a supervisor 51? Okay, so let's do this. I've done everything you've asked. Now please hand me your driver's license.
I'd like to.
Are you refusing to identify yourself to me? Driving is a privilege in this state. It is not a right. I understand you're going to say you have the right to travel, all that stuff.
Classic.
Okay, but driving on the public roadways is a privilege. By that privilege, you have to have a driver's license with you. So, I'm asking you to give me your
He's
driver's
100%
license.
correct.
Okay, I understand that, but I need your driver's license. I'm trying to be as nice as I can. I'm giving you every opportunity to give me your driver's license, okay? So, do you have a driver's license?
I'm going to say no.
She actually
Oh, wow.
does, but it's
Oh,
suspended.
of course.
Did you know your license was suspended?
I
She
voluntarily.
turned it in or whatever.
Ah, okay.
Can I have my property back?
This? No, I'm going to hang on to this now in case something happens. So, if this at least has your name on it, then
So let me take a quick
That's
moment
okay.
to explain the difference between a suspended driver's license and not having a driver's license. Not having a driver's license is simply an infraction in most cases. A suspended driver's license is a misdemeanor in most states. The reason suspended driver's license carries more weight criminally than a no valid operator's license is because there's a reason your driver's license has been suspended.
all right, that's fine. I'm going to hang on to it for right now then. All right? So, what I'm asking you is a driver's license. Do you have a driver's license? I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
If I'm under custodial arrest, then I'd like to remain silent.
You're just
Fine,
being
that's
detained
your
right now
right.
for a traffic violation. It's a civil infraction is all it is. So,
Custodial arrest.
what I'm saying is you can give me your driver's license. I can issue a citation. You can be about your way. If not, we'll have to go down a different route. You what that route is, okay? So,
I'd like to remain silent.
okay, that's fine. So you're not going to give me your driver's license, nothing like that.
Can I please speak with this?
Okay. All right. We'll just wait for somebody else to get here, okay then? All right. So he's actually walking up now, all right? So here he is.
Good morning, Sergeant Bertone, Mr. Reverend. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. This officer here, he pulled me over and then he asked me for a driver's license, and I explained that I'm a diplomat, and I gave him an identification for myself, and then he is continually insisting that I give him a driver's license. Like I said, I'm a diplomat, and then I asked if I was under custodial arrest or am I free to go, and he said that I'm being detained, so I assume that that's under custodial arrest, so I'd like to invoke the right to remain silent.
Okay, so you don't want to have anything else to say? Did you want to identify yourself to this officer then, or with the driver's license?
This is not a valid identification card, man.
It is.
It's not a valid identification card.
It is.
Okay, let's not recognize in the state of Florida.
I'm not in the state of Florida's jurisdiction.
You are,
Okay.
though.
Okay, good. Would you like to step out of the vehicle, or would you like us to pull you out because we're going to be under arrest because you're not identifying yourself with valid identification? Okay, I'm letting you know what's going to happen. I'm giving you the option to step out so that it's less violent.
Hey, what do you... Stop. Don't be reaching for stuff. Don't...
As that was going on, a third officer would arrive with a pepper ball blast at the ready.
Oh, good.
I would prefer you don't start reaching for stuff. Do you have any weapons in the vehicle? Okay. Do you have a name and date of birth you'd like to provide for the... Can you stop reaching for stuff?
Just...
Do you have a name and date of birth you'd like to give this officer?
I did give him.
It's not valid, ma'am. We've already told you that. Okay.
To save the heartache of maybe even breaking this window, because we don't want to have to do that either, you can step out of the vehicle and save yourself some trouble.
Can't be a whole lot. From
31 33.
what sounds like a possible sovereign, maybe.
Turn your vehicle off for me. Step out, okay? Just turn your vehicle off.
So the reason they're having her step out is because she's failing to identify,
your
so
vehicle
they are
off,
going
okay?
to affect a custodial arrest.
Come on. Step out of the vehicle, okay? Come on. Turn your vehicle off for me, all right? Come on.
I don't understand why.
Okay, well, come on. Let's just hop out. Just step out for me, okay?
You can continue
Just
recording.
step out.
Fine. I'm going to end up taking that phone and setting it down, though.
Yep. Just go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Right here.
Thank you.
We're good. You got it? We're good.
So again, just to be clear, she is under arrest for failing to provide sufficient documentation that proves who she is with a name and date of birth. They said that the identification card that she provided to them did not have a date of birth. Therefore, she's failing to identify. She's using her right to remain silent, which totally within her rights. But she has a duty to identify herself with a name and date of birth, and she failed to do so.
Why am I being arrested?
Let me explain it to you. Okay?
No, I mean, that's not a crime. I
So-
didn't do anything.
You
You
refusing...
don't recognize the state of Florida's authority over whatever your mindset is. The state of Florida does require a driver's license to drive a motor vehicle or travel in a motor vehicle, whatever verbiage you'd like to use.
Come back here for me.
I'm providing that. You're driving. Come over and sit down. So any bumper for me, okay?
Sit right here.
I don't
Lean against your
understand.
I just explained that to you. Which words did you not understand of that sentence?
I don't understand why I'm being arrested.
Okay, so the part where I just explained it to you, where you're driving a motor vehicle and not having a valid license in the state of Florida, besides your reasonings for not recognizing that law and authority, is there any other reason why you may not understand that sentence?
I'm not in that jurisdiction. I'm in
Okay,
God's
besides that,
jurisdiction.
because I realize you don't recognize our jurisdiction.
She had a hard time understanding her courtroom arrest as well.
Are you arresting me?
I am for resisting without because you have refused a judge's direct order.
She does not have jurisdiction over me.
That is your
There's
choice.
no
He is
proven
with her?
jurisdiction over me.
Okay.
Because if you don't recognize the jurisdiction, you're not going to recognize the law and you're not going to understand why you're being arrested. And I can't explain it to you.
I didn't injure anyone. It's
But we didn't
God's
say you
law that
did.
I follow.
The little
God's law,
dog.
the Bible,
Okay.
common law. That's what Everything is based off of his God.
I was gonna have her hang it till Angie gets here. I'm not gonna put her back in y'all's car because we haven't
Then
had her down or nothing yet. So
Okay.
as soon as she gets here, all right.
The only reason we're being arrested right now is for driving a motor vehicle without a license.
But that's
If you
not-
can't
And resisting without because you didn't identify yourself to me.
That's fine. I understand that you can't comprehend that law. I have never said that.
I have 8 kids.
She would actually reference these 8 kids in a letter she sent the court, saying the court's causes have created irreparable harm to her, the man of her union, and her 8 offspring born of her womb.
I have 8 kids. And
Okay.
I didn't do anything. Like, I'm a good mom, and I didn't do anything. I was literally just...
Called you a bad mom, and I haven't said you're a bad person. But there is a law in the state of Florida. Okay? But we enforce Florida law. And just because you don't recognize Florida law doesn't mean that we can't enforce it. Did those YouTube videos you watched that justified everything you're thinking of cover this part? Or did they just fast forward to the court where everything got dropped and magically went away?
This is biblical.
Oh.
Biblical.
I don't remember motor vehicles covered in the Bible. It's been a while since I read it, though.
Being imprisoned is biblical. Being imprisoned for following God is biblical.
Huh.
Okay. But
Do you believe in the Bible?
sure. And I've read it a couple times.
And so
I don't remember motor
Here's the
vehicles
thing:
being
you're not being arrested for following God. You're being arrested for refusing to identify yourself to me. That's why you're being arrested. Okay.
I'm standing on the truth that I'm following God's law and not people's law, and
Well,
that's
we're not judges, we're not executioners. We're simply abiding and enforcing the laws that we're employed to do.
Yes.
you're
Okay?
enforcing Satan's law.
She sent
Wow.
another letter to the court referencing multiple Bible verses, such as Ephesians, Daniel, Luke, Colossians, and Romans.
So remember when I told you that driving is a privilege in the state of Florida? It's not a right. So in the state of Florida, it's a
That's not what
privilege.
God said. God
It's a-
said subdue the
I don't
earth.
think God talked about driving vehicles
God said subdue the earth. Do you know what that means?
to do the earth.
Subdue the earth. He means to travel over the earth and to be.
You can travel all over the earth all you want. You just can't travel in a motor vehicle. You can travel by plane, train, horseback, bicycle, scooter. But to travel on these roadways in a vehicle, it is a privilege. The state of Florida pays for these roadways. The municipalities pay for these roadways. That's it. That is, you can travel. You just can't travel in a vehicle. That is driving. And you cannot drive on our roadways unless you abide by the laws. It's that simple. Okay? You can travel. You have the right to travel. You can travel to a different city, a different county, a different state, all over the United States, but just not in a vehicle unless you do it the right way.
Do I have any due process to have someone?
You will
pick
have
this up?
all the due process you want. I am a huge fan of due process,
Can I have
okay?
someone come pick this up?
Nope. Nobody's going to come pick this up. You're being arrested, so your vehicle is going to be towed incident to arrest, okay? Your
It's-
vehicle is going to be towed and it's going
that due
to be
process?
inventoried.
273
Your due process will come when you at your time in court, okay? That's when your due process will come.
But it's not mine.
The vehicle's not yours? Then the registered owner can come pick it up. That's fine.
Then can I call them?
We will notify them, yes. What is their phone number?
321.
Hold on one second. Will you hold this for me? I got you. All right, appreciate you.
After getting the RO's phone number, a female officer would conduct a search of the woman's person.
All right, this is Officer Quintero. She's going to go ahead and search you real quick, okay, before we put you in back of a vehicle, all right? So she's going to go ahead and do that.
Please leave my property in my car.
I'm not going to take your property. I'm just going to inventory your vehicle.
Lean against the car, please.
Don't search it.
Hey, lean against that car. Where are you going? He's gonna search it regardless.
I'm just inventorying it, that's all. You didn't have time to put your license plate on?
This isn't my vehicle.
Oh. Diapers, water bottle. Nothing crazy.
Once that was finished, the officer just had one more question for the woman before she was taken to jail.
1 second. What's the current address for you? Is it South John Young Parkway? Is that where you live now? Where do you live? Where do you rest your head at night? Where do you sleep?
God's land.
Huh?
God's land.
Okay, so which one is Orlando, or is it the one on South John Young Parkway? Is that where you live? South JYP?
I don't have an address.
Okay. All right. Do you have a phone number?
I don't know.
You don't have a phone number either? Okay. All right. Thank you.
She also doesn't need to provide a phone number if she doesn't want to.
The officer charged her with resisting without violence. She also got citations for speeding in a school zone, having only one functioning brake light, driving with a suspended license, and knowingly possessing a canceled driver's license. Despite the letters she sent to the court in an effort to get the case dropped, she'd eventually plead no contest to the resisting charge
That's funny.
and be assessed court costs of $223. She also pled no contest to the resisting charge she got in the courtroom in May. For that, adjudication was withheld.
Ultimately, when you choose not to recognize the law while actively violating it, it's not going to end with a warning. It's going to end how we saw, and it ends with someone going to jail. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like and a sub for more content. Thank you.